Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use mask in Capcut. To use the mask tool in Capcut, all you got to do is just head over to your project, right? Import your video first and select the clip. Let's say this clip or this first part of the clip. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just swipe left till I see mask, which is here next to reverse and unlink. So I'm going to press mask, right? And choose a shape, split, film strip, circle, rectangle to hide or reveal parts of the footage. So let's say mirror. And now you can adjust the size. Okay. Resizing, rotating, or dragging it. And you can use also the feather slider to to soften edges. So hit the check mark. As you can see, I applied the mirror effect or the mirror mask. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.